Welcome back. Today we are at Paris RV here in Payson, Utah, and we are here to check out truck bed campers. So as we've been looking through all these truck bed campers, trying to find the one that we wanted to film today, we happened upon some really cool ones that I think you guys are really gonna like. So make sure to stay tuned and check out these truck bed campers with us. One of the fastest growing parts of RVing is truck bed campers. They are having this huge resurgence. Back in the 70s, people had tons of these. That's what everybody had. You didn't have a trailer, you had a truck bed camper. And for a while they went away, but I think they're making a resurgence because they are so practical and you can get them so many more places. Plus it allows you, based on your capabilities of your truck, to tow a trailer behind it with other toys, all that sort of stuff. So we are looking today at this Northern Lite 8-11EXLE. This is out of Kelowna, British Columbia. We actually drove past this factory years ago on our way back from Kelowna, and I was like, I didn't even know they made trailers up here. Huge factory, and it's awesome to see something not made in Elkhart, Indiana. So, really cool features on this. Fiberglass exterior. I mean, this thing, it has me intrigued to say the least. Starting out, actually on the back here, let's look at the weights. The camper dry weight is 2,900 pounds. The camper wet weight is 3,196. This is a heavy camper. You are looking at 1 ton, probably 1 ton dually range here. I do like that it lists you can carry 33 gallons of water, 10 gallons of bottled gas, so your propane, 6.3 cubic foot refrigerator. The overall length of this is 221 inches, and it's the model 8-11EX. On the back side, you do have this big awning coming out over the back door, which is so nice. So that way, as you enter and exit, you can have this covered if it's raining, that sort of stuff. Keep it nice and shaded. Really cool feature. Something a lot of RVs used to have that kind of most have went away from. It has this fiberglass, or at least it appears to be a fiberglass shell. It's going to help keep all the water out. I really like that. On the backside, you have this huge bumper step area. That way you have plenty of room to get in and out of your camper. As opposed to like this smaller Northern Lite here, notice no bumper area. I think that makes it really nice. This is a much larger unit, so that makes sense. There is a little storage box here, but this step is mounted right in the way. So I can't show you that. Coming down the side, you do have some storage areas. Right down here, you do have your 2500 Onan generator built in. That is super nice. So that way you can really go off grid. You do have some speakers. This is the back of your oven. Coming further down the side, you have your propane. But overall, not a lot of exterior storage on this, but you do get an awning up on the top. And notice it doesn't have the arms coming down. It just has those little arms right there. So it just comes straight out. So it doesn't ruin the side profile of your camper. I like that. And you can see the European style windows here. So they open up huge to let in tons of air. Nice front cap. It is angled, so that way you get a little bit less wind resistance. And I mean, it's still gonna get covered in bugs and all that sort of stuff, but hopefully it helps you as you go down the road not be as big of a sail. Coming down the side, you have your leveler jacks, of course, your plug for the bed of your truck, all of your utility stuff here, shore power, city water, exterior shower right here. And this says not for storage. Let's see what it is. Oh, there's your sewer drain. All your sewer, water pump, all that sort of stuff right there. All right, let's hop up top. Nice ladder. Super cool to see a good ladder. It comes with 600 watts of solar already installed. You can see your Winegard satellite and your Dometic AC. You have your Dometic fan right here over the bathroom. You have your skylight fan right here. That is a lot right up here. And if you can see right up at the very front, a skylight over the bed, it appears. I do love this fiberglass roof because so many trailers get damaged because of water penetration from the roof. This fiberglass is going to keep all that water out so much better. Like if you look over at that lance right there, you can see that different roof material. This is going to be a far superior roof in my personal opinion.
Now Jesse has shown you all the way around the exterior of this camper. Let's get inside and see all the bells and whistles. Having Jesse do a little walk-in, give you perspective on the size of this space. It's a camper, we get it, but you've got lots of space here that you can move, navigate, shift around, so you're not so cramped up. Now let's get onto this tour. Walking right in, you've got big double closets right here, tons of space, hanging storage down below, all of your control panels, awnings, all of that, solar right there inside the door. Shifting around on this side, luxury of a bathroom. It is a bit of a little wet bath, if you will. Everything you need. The little commode, teeny little sink to wash up, shower head, and a max air also. Really great space. Tiny but effective. Now this camper has a full-size fridge. Most of these that we are looking at today are just the little half ones, so you're barely getting a fridge in them, but this one full-sized. And you're cooking. Look at this, full range oven and burner. Really, really good sink space. Decent sink. You can actually wash something in. Nice little prep area to the side. Got some uppers and a little bit of lower down below. This one right there being your silverware. The dining area does convert down into another sleeping area. Really good window with the windows we like that you can push out. You also have the nightshade and the screen on those. All right, sleeping quarters up in here. A little bit of storage on the side, TV right there. Good closet space. I guess not really closet, but good storage. Fairly deep in there, so if you did want to hang something. Little privacy shade as well. And this really cool skylight. You've got all your shades. Kind of a dampening or a screen, if you will. This side you have your blackout for some really nice sleeping. But then this entire thing opens up. Flip the little switch, pull it up, pop that, close your screen if you're worried about bugs. Man, I'm getting some serious air coming through that thing. That's really cool. Other windows in this space. You've got your shades. Lock them in place, pinch to close. And your screen if you do want to open up these windows. Now to check out a few extra features. You do have your AC right there, an extra max air down here. If you didn't notice, there is carpet up here. Typically we don't see carpeting on the ceiling, but I can see this being noise dampening, helping with climate control, as well as just something a little different. Giving you one final little look. One final thing I wanted to show you. This has got a full carpet in it. However, it does have the solid floor down below if you do choose to go that route.
Overall, I am really impressed with this truck bed camper. I love the fiberglass exterior. I think it's going to be superior for protecting you from all that water, all those sort of things, which that's what kills most RVs is water damage. So I think this is really nice with this Northern Lite. If you're interested in this 8-11, they have it here at Paris RV here in Payson, Utah. I'll put all the information down below, but they have it priced at just below $60,000, which I know $60,000 is a lot of money, but you are getting a pretty high-end truck bed camper, and that's just what things cost today. So comment below, what do you think? Are you a truck bed camper person, travel trailer, fifth wheel? What are you thinking? And as always, make sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell, all those sort of things. It really helps us out. And enjoy your weekend.